Hello friends, I am BM. In this video, I will show you how to install SQL Server in your PC or laptop. Okay, let's start the video. Open browser. Type here SQL Server 2020 to download. Okay, hit enter. After this, click on Microsoft SQL Server download. Scroll down. SQL Server 2022 Express. Click on download. Now SQL Server setup file is downloaded. Click on downloaded file. Minimize browser. Express edition. Getting thing ready. Is a basic custom download media. I am select basic. Click on basic. Okay, this is our agreement. Click on accept. Now there is a installation location. This is download size. This is minimum free space. Okay. Now click on install. While downloading install package, please wait. It's take a time depend upon internet speed. Okay. File is downloaded. Now installing SQL Server. I am fast forward this video for save time. Okay. I have see installation is in progress. Now installation has complete successfully. Okay. Installation has complete successfully. There is option to install ssms. I don't want ssms. Now click on close. Click on yes. Thank you for watching me. See you on next video.